back to All Occasion Gifts. Today we're going to be creating a teen Easter basket. It's going to be a Hello Kitty teen Easter basket. So let's get started. I'm going to be using this Hello Kitty greeter, and I'm going to take off the Christmas gift. I'm going to be using this Hello Kitty super cute signature brush gift set. It's a really nice little brush set. And I'm going to use this Hello Kitty body sugar scrub. It comes with a bath bomb and the sugar scrub. I have a Hello Kitty lava lamp. I don't think I'm going to be using the lava lamp in this first one that I create. I'm going to make several of these Hello Kitty gifts. But for this one, I'm not going to use the Hello Kitty lava lamp. And I also have this Hello Kitty portable Bluetooth speaker. I have some Hello Kitty cups. And we just have to see which one we're going to go with. And I have this Hello Kitty shadow palette. And I have some Hello Kitty luggage tags. And we'll see which one we'll go with in the end. And I also have some Hello Kitty straw toppers. And I'm also going to add some Hello Kitty sleep pants. Let's get started. So let's get started. I've already wrapped my box. And I'm going to take the Hello Kitty and I'm going to place her on top of the box. But I'm also going to cut off the Christmas gift. And it's just attached by like one string. And I'm also going to take off the scarf. And same thing, it's attached by one string. And I'm going to take that scarf and I'm going to tie it around the Hello Kitty waist. I'm just going to take and tuck the shirt in to her pants. And I'm going to add the scarf around the waist. So that gives it a completely new look. And there she is. Okay, so next I'm going to place the Hello Kitty back towards the back. I'm going to take and I'm going to add the makeup brushes. And I'm just going to secure that to the edge. Okay, and then next I'm going to take and I'm going to add the body scrub and bath bomb. I'm just going to place it slightly to the side of the brush set. And I want to take and place my cup right next to, sort of in front of the Hello Kitty. No, you can't really see it. It's got like a slight angle to it. And I'm going to place some tape underneath to hold that down. And I'm going to add a little piece to the side to hold it in place. And next I'm going to attach the tumbler. Just take that price tag off. And I'm going to add the tumbler right next to the body scrub. Take a little bit of tape and attach that tumbler to the top of the body scrub. Get this so you can't see the tape. Next I'm going to take and I'm going to attach the luggage tag. I'm just going to place it a little slightly in front of the Hello Kitty makeup set. Let's see. Get this back the way we had it. There we go. Get this little piece not to show. I'll just add a small piece of tape in front to hold it in place. There we go. And then next I'm going to take and I'm going to add the Hello Kitty. I'm just going to place the Hello Kitty right next to the brush set. And I'm going to just temporarily tape her in place because I need to add one more thing before I secure the Hello Kitty. I'm going to add the eyeshadow makeup palette. And I'm just going to add it right here to the top. Gotta just make sure we got Miss Hello Kitty on the right track. take your tape and fold it in threes. Put a little bit of tape underneath the eyeshadow palette and tape it right to the top. And just tape it right to the top. Everything at an angle. And then I'm going to take a piece of fishing wire, and I'm going to go around the Hello Kitty and down around the makeup brushes. See, I need to get that underneath the body scrub. There we go. And I'm going to pull it down a little bit so you really can't see the fishing wire. Add some tape to the fishing wire. Kind of hide it a little bit more. And I'm just going to put those sleep pants directly in front of the makeup palette. Let's see, I'm going to take the tag off. Not really. Let's just add them there. Secure it with a little bit of tape. Make sure that doesn't affect the makeup palette. Just secure the pants on the side. And I'll just secure the pants on the side. And there we have the Hello Kitty Teen Easter basket. And this is going to come with a separate basket with the candy and everything inside of it. And I'm going to make several more of these teen Hello Kitty Easter baskets. So we have the Hello Kitty eyeshadow palette, the Hello Kitty sleep pants, the Hello Kitty bath bomb, the Hello Kitty body scrub, and we have a Hello Kitty tumbler. We have a Hello Kitty luggage tag. We have the Hello Kitty makeup brush set. And then we also have the door greeter. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And next I'm going to make a Bratz teen Easter basket. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Please continue to watch as I make Easter and Mother's Day gifts. Right now, I'm working on Stitch. I just completed Hello Kitty, so right now I'm working on Stitch. Once again, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.